Good evening. I am Mayra. You are watching PPC News. Here's what's happening in the world today. Indian authorities have declared that summer in India is becoming increasingly difficult for people due to rising temperatures. In recent weeks, many people did from heat or they suffered from heat stroke and many schools have closed. The demand for air conditions ACS is rising in populous countries like India, China, Indonesia, and Philippines. Experts think that the world will add 1 billion IC units by 2030. But I CS contribute to climate change because there are harmful refrigerants in them. Richer countries have stricter rules on ACS, but developing countries um, like India have a problem. They need more ACS, but they want to reduce their carbon footprint. It is necessary to have cleaning technology before many people buy ACS with harmful refrigerants. We will be back soon with more news. Keep it here in PPC News. Grazie. Thank you.